Hi everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick tip on a setting that you really need to make sure it's set so you don't lose your drone when it loses signal. So I'm going to demonstrate here. You have to click on the three dots in the corner and then go to the item that looks like a drone on the top left, and then scroll all the way down to advanced settings. And then scroll all the way down to RC signal lost. This has to be returned to home. If it's landing or hover, it will just land where it is, and hover will stay where it is until the battery is dead. So make sure you select not landing, but return to home. And by default, it's landing. This is ridiculous, and I think they did this on purpose because there's absolutely no reason why would you want to have the drone land when it loses signal. Makes no sense. Anyway, hopefully this saved your drone in the future, and if it did, please thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.